Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Rich Life. If you're looking for smart ways to grow your income, build wealth and achieve financial freedom, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about how to start a side hustle with minimal investment. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or just have more financial freedom, a side hustle can be your golden ticket. And guess what? You don't need to spend a fortune to get started. Step 1. Discover your skills and interests. First things first. Ask yourself, what are you good at? Are you a talented writer? A whiz at graphic design? Maybe you're amazing with numbers, or have a knack for organizing events. Think about what you enjoy doing, because a side hustle based on your interests won't feel like work. Bonus points if it solves a problem or fulfills a need for others. Step 2. Explore low-cost side hustles. Now, let's talk about some side hustle ideas that won't break the bank. Here are a few. Freelancing. Offer your skills on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or programming, there's a market for your talents. Reselling. Flip items from thrift stores or garage sales on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Content creation. Start a blog, podcast, or YouTube channel like this one. With some creativity and consistency, it can turn into a moneymaker. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, platforms like VIPKid or Wisent are great places to start. The best part? Many of these require little more than your time and effort to get started. Step 3. Leverage online platforms. Thanks to the internet, starting a side hustle has never been easier. Use platforms like Etsy for handmade goods, Rover for pet sitting, or TaskRabbit for odd jobs. These platforms give you instant access to potential customers without the need for a large marketing budget. Step 4. Master time management. Balancing a side hustle with your full-time job can be tricky, but it's all about time management. Set aside specific hours in your week to focus on your hustle. Consistency is key. Even if you're only dedicating 5 to 10 hours per week. Step 5. Market yourself for free. You don't need to spend a dime on marketing, at least not initially. Use social media to showcase your work. Build a professional LinkedIn profile to connect with clients. And don't underestimate the power of good, old-fashioned networking. Tell your friends, family, and coworkers about your hustle. You never know where your first customer might come from. Step 6. Scale your hustle. Once your hustle starts earning, reinvest some of that income to grow it. Whether it's upgrading your tools, learning new skills, or outsourcing tasks, scaling is how you turn a side hustle into a serious income stream. Very important is avoid these mistakes. Before we wrap up, let me share a few common mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't underprice yourself. Know your worth. Avoid trying to do too many things at once. Focus on one hustle and perfect it. 3. And most importantly, don't give up too quickly. Building a successful side hustle takes time and patience. Though what's stopping you? The best time to start a side hustle was yesterday. But the second best time is right now. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financial Rich Life for more tips on building wealth and living your best financial life. And let me know in the comments, what side hustle are you planning to start? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.